you.
What is going on, guys? My name is John Stacks, and today we're looking at this Scion FRS. My friend actually won this car like a couple days ago, and I already filmed it, but I wanted you guys to look at these CoPart pictures first so we could compare the actual in person, what it looks like, and see how accurate these CoPart pictures actually are. So let's take a look at this description really quick. The car has a Massachusetts Salvage title, 34,000 miles. It's run and drive. Primary damage is on the side. Secondary is front end. And the estimated retail value is around $14,000. The car is manual, rear wheel drive. So let's take a look at these pictures. From here, it seems like there's a little bit of frame damage up front over here. And we could see a missing headlight. We could see the bumper has a mark on it, so it's probably scratched a little bit. Door is heavily damaged, that's going to need to be replaced for sure. And then a little bit of the rear quarter panel. This looks like the headlight maybe, and this could be the fender. And that's probably the headlight bracket. So we go over to the second picture. We could see a missing side marker. There's good lines here. Bumper looks in good condition from this angle. Everything on this side is perfect. Over to the back. Once again, everything's perfect. We could see the inner fender over here, which is always good when they include the parts they took off. Back over to this side, we could see that the rear quarter is damaged around here. Rear bumper is fine. This could be a scratch or just a reflection, but nothing big. And then we could see a closer look over here. That is in fact the headlight bracket. Over on the inside we could see the airbags didn't deploy. The seats are intact. Driver and passenger airbag are intact. However, we can't see if the curtain airbag deployed. Over to the back we could see that the airbags didn't deploy back here. Now, up here in the front, everything seems to be perfect. But once again, over here, I can't tell if it's kinked or bent, or it's supposed to be like that. It does look damaged, but I think it's supposed to be like that. It's not perfectly straight. And then we go over here. We can't tell if there's any mechanical issues because the car isn't started. But we can confirm the 34,000 miles, which is a good thing. Closer look of the damage. The wheel, we could see some light scratches, nothing major. The suspension is probably fine. And then close up, this appears to be normal. I think it's supposed to be like that. We could double check with the picture. FRS, no bumper. Let's see if we could find anything here. No fender. So I think that's completely fine. As you can see here, it's slightly bent. Well, that's just the original shape. So I'm pretty confident that this is normal. And then these hinges seem to be straight. Maybe they're bent on the outside. But if you buy a new door, it probably comes with the hinges, especially if you get it from a junkyard. And that's the headlight right there. I can't tell if it's in good shape or not. And those are all the pictures we get from CoPart. So right now I'll let you guys see how much the car actually sold for, so you know that I'm not making up random numbers. It did sell for $3,300, and I recorded that portion, so I'll put that in right now. And what we have right here is a $3,300 car from CoPart. You can probably tell it's a Scion FRS. It's a 2013 with the manual transmission. Only 34,000 miles. And it looks perfect from here. But most of the damage is on this end. It was sold by insurance, so that's a deal for sure. No scamming involved. No money pit jettas like Samcrac. Can you pull this fender off so we can show them?
Yeah, the fender wasn't even on when it got started. The fender was in the trunk in the car.
So the main concern was this frame portion.
What concern?
This looks like damage. In the CoPart picture.
Just look on Google, you can see what you're saying.
But after taking the fender off, you could tell this was untouched. Perfect condition right here.
Obviously the main damage is on the door. My biggest concern was if there was damage right here on the whatever this is called, the floor portion. My biggest concern was damage on the floor portion, which seems fine to me. This seems pretty light. This is nothing.
Well, we can see this part was damaged, and this is most likely the main reason it got totaled out.
Absolutely. A job like this could easily cost like $8,000 insurance prices.
And we can see right here that the rear quarter panel is pushed in. That's where most of the money.
Yeah, most of the money to fix is going in here.
Well, we'll take a look at the appraisal later when it comes in.
Yeah.
So other than that, it's a brand new car.
Airbags are all intact. Nothing went off. All the airbags are intact. No lights on the dash. Just a little bit of glass around the car because this one obviously got destroyed.
The main damage in this car is that radio.
It's a VCR, not a radio. But it runs good.
So we take a closer look here. The wheel has some damage, but I would drive on this without touching it. And the bumper, for the most part.
No, bumper's fine. It has a little crack right here. A little tiny chip right here. That's gonna get fixed.
And then some scratches down here. And it popped out right here, but I don't think it
popped out. I think insurance took it off. Insurance took it off. The damage didn't even go that far. There's no reason for it to pop out.